In our first lesson, we walked through how to configure Profinet I/O module. Today, let's move on to lesson 2, setting up a RSEC module with an Omron PLC in Sysmax Studio. After creating a new project, the first thing we need to do is make sure the EDS file is correctly installed. Right-click on the master, choose Display ESI library, click Install, and select the EDS file for the module. Once it's installed, you will see Decowell RS series appear in the list. Next, go to the toolbox, select RS series, and choose the EC2 device below. Click on RSEC2, then on the right side, set the station number. Then click Edit Module Configuration. Here, we can assign I/O panels to the two slots. The door slots can be freely matched with different panel types. Now, I select the same two panels as used in the actual hardware. Select DI and click Edit Backup Parameter Settings. In this window, we can configure the filter time for the DI module and the data format measurement range for AI/AO modules. Go back to the EtherCAT page and open Edit Backup Parameter Settings. Here we can set the module's output behavior in case of communication value and also adjust other parameters if needed. Once everything is configured, we are ready to download and settings, start online debugging, and test the module in action. Okay, that's all. Did you find this video useful? If you'd like to see how to configure our other modules, please drop a comment to tell me.